Namaste and welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make another easy, tasty veg lunch combo. I am planning to make a simple veg pulao which you can easily make as a working day lunch or dinner and full of nutrition too. So for that I have taken 1 cup, that is 1 measure of long grained rice, and so washed it. It has been soaking for about 20 minutes now. In a heavy pan, take 2 tablespoons ghee, add 1 tablespoon oil to it. Now we'll add in the whole spices, that is 2 bay leaves, a few cloves, few pieces of cinnamon, and this is Shah Jeera, also known as caraway seeds. I am taking 1 teaspoon. It adds a good flavor to your pulao. So half a teaspoon of whole black pepper. Here I have about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. We'll crush them together. Add this crushed ginger and garlic. Next, I have about 2 onions I have sliced. Fry the onions lightly. I am adding some salt. When the onions are lightly fried, next we can add in the vegetables. Today I have these French beans. You can use whatever you have at home. Some capsicum, carrot, and also these are some frozen green peas which I have. Now fry all of them together for a couple of minutes. Next, I am also adding a few green chilies. You can just slit them like this. Also some coriander leaves. I have just washed them now. Chop the coriander leaves. And also a few mint leaves. Next, we will add these also. In go the green chilies. These are the mint or pudina leaves. Just roughly chop them and add. And also this coriander or dhania leaves. Mix everything well together and fry it till the vegetables are about 3/4 done. I just thought I'll share this idea with you. See, when we store all these, coriander leaves, green chilies, curry leaves, we have to store them in individual boxes lined with paper napkin and keep it in the fridge. And first of all, they occupy space in the fridge, and when you're looking for one, then you lose a lot of time. So I was for a long time looking for a box where I can store everything. So maybe some of you already have, but I thought I'll just share this for those who don't know. I've lined this with paper napkins. So once I bring this box outside, I have coriander leaves, pudina, ginger, curry leaves, green chilies, whatever you need in your daily cooking. All the other things we can wash and keep, but the coriander leaves I only remove the roots and the mud, and the pudina too I just take out the leaves, wash them before using so that they don't get spoiled. So whenever you need something, you just take out this box from the fridge as it is. I just bought it at a local store, so I don't have any link to give you online. You can search for it too. I had covered it so that it would cook faster. See, our vegetables are 3/4 done now. Now just drain out this soaked rice. Drain out all the water and add the rice to this. Fry the rice also just for another 2 or 3 minutes. You would have noticed that I had kept some water for boiling right at the beginning. So once this rice also has been fried, add this hot water into it. I used one measure of rice with this cup. So whichever cup you use, with the same cup I am going to add 2 measures of water. And another 1/4 cup just for the vegetables. So 1 cup rice, 2 cups water for the rice and 1/4 cup water for the vegetables. Now allow this to again come to a boil. See, it has started boiling once again. Now at this stage, reduce the flame to absolute minimum or sim. Cover it and cook it on a very low flame on sim till it is done. So while we are waiting for our pulao to be done, let's quickly make a raita to go with it. Here I have some fresh curd. We'll just beat it well. Here I have grated 1 cucumber. We'll add that. And also some tomatoes I have chopped, and this is some onion also I have chopped. Add some chopped coriander and also 1 or 2 green chilies finely chopped. Mix everything well together. Now add the required quantity of this beaten curd to it. I'll add the salt just before serving, because if you add the salt early, sometimes it gives out the water. So I'll leave it like this. It's about 15 minutes now. The rice is very well done. Just mix it with a gentle hand because you don't want to break the rice grains. Our veg pulao is ready. Our raita is nearly ready. I am just adding a little bit of salt, and here I have some roasted jeera powder. Add a pinch of it. Gives a lovely flavor. So now we are ready to serve out our lovely steaming veg pulao. So a simple, easy veg pulao and raita, which you can easily make at home. One thing to remember: use a kadai which has quite a heavy base. Then it will not stick to the bottom, and also keep the flame in absolute sim when you cover it and cook. At home, my children like to call this as a tiffin center pulao, because it's the typical pulao which they used to get at the tiffin centers, along with some raita and maybe some potato kurma also, which reminds them of their college days. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen. We'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.